I'm super excited about today's fun video because I'm going to be showing you how to make an awesome profile picture from any photo just like this. And the tool that I'm sharing with you makes it super easy to upload a photo of yourself, remove your background, choose your branding colors, or select a pre-made template. And you could create a strong personal brand with no Photoshop skill required. And the best part is completely free. So if you want to learn how to make an amazing profile picture, then you want to make sure to watch until the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos and don't forget to click the notification bell to be the first one notified of any new video. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the website that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called pfpmaker.com. And this is a free website. You don't have to pay anything to use it. I will leave the link right below this video. All you need is a photo of yourself. So I have mine right here. It has a background, so I'm just going to upload it. Once you upload it, the profile picture maker here is going to go ahead and remove the background that you have. So you don't have to do it yourself. It automatically does it for you. And once it's done removing the background, it's going to show you different examples of your photo on top of a solid color, and then also your photo using one of their pre-made templates. And you could use those as well. I personally like the pre-made template. It's really nice because when you're using it, especially like on Instagram or on YouTube, it does make your profile picture stand out. And that's the reason why I actually like it a lot. But as you can see, you have the options to have a solid background like this, or you could use one of their pre-made templates like these right here. And they have a lot of different options to choose from. I mean, for being a free program, you can't really complain about it. And the options are pretty cool. Some of these I really like this one here and this one. They stand out. Something like this stands out as well. I like this one here. And you can play around with it and see what speaks to you, what resonates with your brand. If you need like a black and white photo, or let's say for like LinkedIn, they do provide those here as well. And you could just go all the way down to see all of the different options. Now, if you need to edit your photo, maybe your head is getting cut off, you could just click on the pencil icon and it will let you go ahead and adjust your photo if you need to. The second icon right here, the little drop, is for colors, which is really nice because for branding purposes, you could actually go ahead and click on RGB and download your hex number for your colors, and you could change your background to that particular color for branding. Or you could just come here and play around with any of these. So they have gradients here, they have solid colors up here, and they also have abstract colors down here, as you can see. So these are all like, let's say we pick this one here, this pink one. If you click there now, all of these, majority of these are going to have that tone that you just picked. It's just going to be saved on that particular template that they have available for you. So that's pretty cool as well, especially when you pick your branding colors. It's going to do the same thing as well. And let's say that you're totally happy with, let's say you browse all of these and you're like, oh, I love this one here. Once you're happy with your selection, with whichever one you want to use, just click on the download right here, little green button. It's going to automatically download your image. And this is the image that you could go ahead and start using on your social media profile. You could use it anywhere that you promote your business. But this is how simple it is to create an amazing photo that you don't really have to pay anyone to do for you, and is free to use. So there you have it. This is how simple it is to create amazing profile pictures that you can use on social media, on your blog, on your Etsy store, on your Shopify, or anywhere else that you would like to use them. If you enjoy this type of video, let me know in the comments below. This helps me create more of these type of videos. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.